Mama wakwaba, wafreme Ajoa searching Mesrel. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell on so for more news.
I record historical inflation in the history for more than 4 years. We record historical inflation. I didn't hear Vomewa or ye British. I didn't hear Uncle demonstration. Namum Ghana and Obabe demonstration. Didn't hear UK Babia Wote. Uncle Hana demonstration. Namum Ghana and Obabe demonstration because you think say the society is so free and so small that you can do something to become relevant in the society. Now, celebrities no dia monko yedede. Monko na monko yedede. The economy will change if you conquer the Jubilee House. Mojo say moko Jubilee House ho. Na moko je ho bombs mo bonsaso a moko je bomb so a economy no besesa. Ana enti sa mo pese Mahama mra. Ana mojo say John Mahama ba economy besesa. Kwan Benz na John Mahama, His Excellency the former president, ebetumi afaso ede asesa Ghana's economy. On to me nyamani nye. On to me, the performance pain. We have seen how John Mahama governance is it. Yahu yatrana mamu mu pain. Yatrana intutu ye mu pain. Yahu kwanya ofa subu o man. Yahu kwanya sabio okondoto ne ho as a president. Yahu kwanya corruption eteki Ghana. Yahu kwanya sikachentino maburu na ewo Ghana na omoye frustrated. Yahu kwanya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama disika boom ayam fatana ense de koma celebrities. Enti yahu die ntia celebrities asabio omonye bibibia titire na omonye sikatwim no yahu die ntia omudi Mahamachi. Yahudi until attended to demonstration to protest for the coming of John Mahama. Yahu kwanya John Mahama etumi esisa Ghana sikadema celebrities binom. We are George Mwakwaba. Yahu kwanya John Mahama sabio no timi to Land Cruiser cars. De koma amanfo celebrities say omonjinam. Enti se ne say ye demonstration to bring John Mahama back. Na me who say celebrity said to Dimoa. Me as a conscious Ghanaian there, it doesn't say nothing. Me them say paid to participate. Sankrofo na omo call hono mimia. Omu ye nipa bi na ye twi omu ka na de ya ne se enam experience omu nyane that the titibrem anase before brother John Mahama no ye government intino. They want him to come back so that they can enjoy the money that left from the coffers of the state. SKBT mi am akwaba ye hu kwanya enam se sa sika chena no chenu ntino the media yanka say the media edinachi yeti videos e ba bonten e kire say joy news no TV3 no na asefo omunyina ye paid by the NDC when the government was in power and even now. Enti yahu say enam wentima all the media houses in Ghana are projecting only wrong things, only bad things, only negativity, except few. Nka media for and some count. Media are the main sources of, expanding the new way to go to the people. Say person mind musisa media, they are part of it. Omo ka ho. Nanso ye de sika to won. Ye hu kwa John Mahama fa so di sika to media. Na nam so omo da so ye loyalty to NDC. How more people on say they are going to only bastardize a government. Sebio oba adwam no waye nyuma. Yen kan say waye ni nyina o waye nyuma. Aya amonya research na monhwe Kumasi to Accra road dualization. Aya amompe bi na monhwe what is going on there. Yes, Ghana economy ni atete say yo apansam. And so adwuma obi anye ne da in 67 years, you know, this government is doing it. But yansu ye hu kwanya John Mahama so ne bre so yetimi twa sika se ye de kwa akoye rose cocoa rose yetimi twa sika se kwa akobe ode cocoa rose ni apaje sika na de kwa akoye campaign na ya twere aba abeto green book mu se ya ye ka kwan enam se NDC fo na omudi akire no. And a young guys, you know, any youth no mudi and this year, you know, among kind or moon read among your research. The no one is a common demand. Mafu. Ye kwanya koko sika ya siyam fanko yika kwanya no, ye de koye campaign. Evans ankama mwakwaba. We nyina anu yehu kwanya sabio His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ono ankasa ni kurom onya sika Cocoa Road sika ni bi no instead of him to do something to transform the life of the people no opaja sika no ko ho di kosi guest house said the beya so free enkran ko ni kuroma ono mom no benya babiada ono ankasa ni kurom kura no di on abro when he directed the money to his own place, you know, he was not even able to use the money for a better purpose or selfishness. Really selfish. We saw how Sebio John Mahama Breso, Mami, Ghana for Muntie mi asemwe. Yehun kwanya John Mahama na Breso. Yetumi ton Ghana mine etumi to gasia ne boy tene the whole world. The whole world though. Gasia ya tonwa na contract num gas ne boy dempa wo wiase afana nyina no Ghana. It is only under John Dramani Mahama na Breso. Na tie numbers no. Tie numbers no na fatuti. Tie numbers no. Gas ye to the MBT a measurement or monitor. Brana na ekufo eti Ghana konya so e wo Jubilee fail baby omutu patrono na Ghana to gas free ho brati number no na Ghana to gas free ho 0.07.26 0 till 07 till number ni